Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to transfer your all contacts to your Gmail account. So guys, if you want to transfer your contact from one Android mobile to new Android mobile, first you want to transfer to your Gmail account. So keep watching this video until the end. First of all, open contact application on your mobile and now click on setting icon and now scroll down and here you can see import and export contacts. Now scroll down and find out export contact, click on it and export to VC file and simply save this file here. Now this file exporting in my mobile storage. Here you can see appears on screen the mobile storage. This file has been exporting. Now guys, the next step is open Google contact application. Here you can see if you don't have, so simply install your Google Play Store. So here is you can see in this Gmail account no any contacts, so simply click on this organize and scroll down and click on import from file. Now guys, select the Gmail account which you want to add all the contacts. Here you can see click on it and now guys, select the file which you have recently created. Now guys, the all the contacts step by step adding in your Gmail account, you can see appears on screen. You can add your all the mobile contacts in your Gmail account by this method. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.